All right, exciting news. We just got a 3D printer. We got this to be able to print the cubes and other mining accessories. Let's open the box and see what's inside. I ordered, because there was not a frog in my pocket, I ordered the ELEGOO 3D printer. This is $300, under $300 landed at my door, shipped from Southern California to my place here in Seattle. We have the manual, which I'm sure I will not read. I need my old man glasses to see what this says. User guide about taking the foam out and unpacking it. Top plate. I noticed, you can't see them, but right down here are, okay, I can show you. Some handles in the box, which has me concerned I was doing it upside down, but we'll see. All right. My wife's gonna be really happy when I tell her I have to keep that box.
Bullshit.
All right. So we will probably do some videos on the 3D printing. I imagine, well, I don't imagine, I know for a fact a lot of us have our own 3D printers. So I feel like it's relative. And kind of my thought process is learning how to make my own designs, as you know, or maybe you do or maybe you don't know. We're actually licensing the cube from the designer. I did not design it, but it's such a great product that it just made sense to license it and print it. And Hans, the developer of it, the designer of it, he's in Europe. So if you are in the UK and want one, make a comment here and I'll connect you with Hans. Everywhere else, ordered at the link below. All right, so let's see here inside this box. We have some PLA filament. I guess to just probably, I've seen the boat a lot, probably print the boat. And some tools and some glue stick. All right, so we'll learn more about that. Little spindle for the filament. Power cord. Display. And that's it in there. More packing. I probably should read something, but yeah, not that guy. I am really quite surprised at what a great price this is on this printer. Not a particular sale or anything like that going on. When I bought it, I'm sure Black Friday's coming up, so probably there'll be some specials on that. I do not have an affiliate deal with this company. This was just the one I decided to get. And it's all YouTube's fault. All right, let's see if we can get a different angle for you. So, yeah, top plate here, and that just sits in there. I'm not going to rob you the experience of taking the cellophane off. I know that that's an important thing. So I have to be very careful with that. That's the connector for the screen. I only know that because YouTube. All right, let's start taking this stuff off. Ooh. So there we go. There's the build plate, the 3 screws for leveling and adjusting height, and as the print happens, and then of course the print head there, and then whoop, out the window. All right, we will get the, I don't know who this we is. We'll get the screen on, get the gimbal on there, and then I think that there's a little boat they have you print for your first print to like figure out how to use it. So we'll get to that. All right, let's turn it on for the first time. All right, we will go through the setup. So we're going to be in English. Use a hex key to remove the 3 screws shown in the image. Okay, I see those in here. All right, that's done now, so confirm that. Ensure the chamber is free from foreign objects. It is. Confirm. And then start the self check process. Place the build plate correctly. Side A facing up. I don't know, is that side A? And this process takes 30 minutes. Yeah, the fan on the print head is spooling up. All right, it's got a lot of stuff to go through. It's going to heat the bed, heat the brake cooling fan, mainboard cooling fan. Okay, it's got some stuff to do. We'll come back. All right, the self-check is completed. The bed is up at the head. So let's see what happens next. All right, not much, I guess. I need to get it on my Wi-Fi. All right, I'll get that done and we'll come back. All right, we are on the Wi-Fi and downloading the updated firmware. All right, the firmware is updated and I guess it's ready to go. So what it wants me to do is print the little boat. So I'm just going to the local files and then go to the boat and texture build plate. It's on the texture side. Yeah, let's do some time-lapse photography. I like that. Print. I fed the filament sample just into the feeder. I don't know if I need to go further with it. We'll see. Yeah, it is preheating right now and recording. And it's also on my computer screen. So it's giving real-time updates, what's going on. You can see the camera head going back, I mean not the camera head, the print head going back and forth. Yeah, pretty cool. We will pull the boat off the plate once it's done. And there we have a little white boat. What does this say? Print complete, took 15 minutes. Let's confirm that. Let's get it out of the plate. Simple as that. Let's check it out. So, pretty good print, I feel like. The unit was kind of shaking around a lot, but maybe some weird little contours here. Not a particularly great line up there. But I think that might be just kind of nature of 3D printing. But, oops. Yeah, got a little boat. So I'm going to surprise my lovely wife with a AirPods case.